Hi, I'm Mike. The channel is Watch with Mike. I got a new tool for my watchmaking. Just wanted to share it with you. The label says Victorinox. Original Swiss Army knife? What could it be? And what does this have to do with watchmaking? Here's another clue. It has the Haratech website address on the back. Swiss knife, blue, two-blade. What could it be? Your typical Swiss Army knife. It's got tweezers. Could these be watchmaking tweezers? No, they just look like regular Swiss Army tweezers. What about this side? Ah, your very familiar Swiss Army toothpick. So far, I'm not feeling the watchmaking vibe. So what is it about this that makes me put this on my channel? Well, we know from the box that it's a two-blade knife. So let's see, does this have anything to do with watchmaking? I suppose you could use it for watchmaking. Ooh, nice and sharp. We'll put that one away. So that leaves one blade. What is it? Yes, folks. There it is. That's why this pocket knife is on my watchmaking channel. Victorinox has partnered to put a watch opening blade on a Swiss Army knife. So there you go. I just thought it was cool. I hope you think it's cool too. Let's give it a try. I just got back from the flea market and, well, what can I tell you about this watch? Anybody recognize that character? This is a 1979 licensed Warner Brothers Marvin the Martian wristwatch. And what makes this watch special is it has a mood movement. What's a mood movement? Or maybe I should say mood dial. Let me flip it over. Remember mood rings? Well, this is kind of an offshoot of a mood ring. That background actually turns color based on your mood. It's guaranteed to work. I'm sure it's certified by medical authorities all around the world. And here's what the different colors mean. If it turns amber, then you're nervous and tense. If it turns amber green, you're troubled and uneasy. If it turns green, you're sensitive. If it's blue-green, that means you're relaxed. And if it's dark blue, that means you should like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. Okay, no, if it's dark blue, happy and love. But let's go ahead and try our new Victorinox Swiss Army knife with the watch back opening blade. All right, let's see if we can hit the sweet spot the first time. Oh, I found a notch. Oh, that thing was awesome. Did you see how easily this back popped off? I give all the credit to my new Victorinox Swiss Army knife with that case back removal blade. All right, let's see what's in it. And is it clean? I'm thinking it looks pretty clean. Well, that's a relief. Hey, look at that. Fossil ink. I found a fossil. So I think what we'll do is we'll just do a little case cleanup here and just have some fun with this. Oh, look, it looks like since I turned it over, my mood has changed. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling the love. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. I'm Mike. The channel is Watch with Mike. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you'd like to. And please leave your comments in the space below. Bye-bye.